What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am on my front porch waiting for Ant to pick me up, and it's beautiful, as you can tell. Beautiful sunny morning. It's about 9 o'clock right now, and he's about to pick me up and we're about to do some fishing. But today there's a special little challenge. Right now when Ant picks me up, we are headed straight to Walmart before the fishing spot. And what we're doing is, it's a really cool challenge I've seen it before on Instagram. So pretty much what this challenge is, we're gonna go to Walmart, you get a laundry bin, and you get some pool noodles. You cut the pool noodles up, you put them on like the side of the laundry bin, whether it's, you know, zip ties or you tie it or it just sticks by itself. I'm not really sure. We'll figure that out later. But it's a DIY Livewell, so you put it in the water and it floats. Whatever fish you catch, you put in it. I'm trying to put that to the test today. I saw it on Instagram. I thought it was a really cool idea, a really unique idea. And so we're gonna go there, buy everything. Hopefully we can construct something that's pretty cool. Put it in the water. Obviously we're not gonna keep any of the fish. We don't want to do that. We just want to see if this DIY Livewell works. Show you guys how it works, and if it works, maybe you guys should try it at home. Because I know if you do go somewhere and you don't have a Livewell, you can actually make this. I've seen people on YouTube actually make this and bring it somewhere, and they actually used it to hold all their fish. Put the camera down, wait for Anthony to get here. Like I said, it is a beautiful, beautiful morning out here. Rocking the file, just a regular file, follow the action T today if you guys want to check it out. Remember, link down below, code SLINGERS15 is 15% off your entire purchase. So if you guys are new here, consider subscribing, leave a like down below. Hopefully we make a good video for you guys today. Let's catch some fish. All right, guys, we just made it to this little pond right here. There's a bunch of ponds in the area. I'm with Ant, and we went to Walmart. Also, sorry about the wind. The wind is absolutely horrendous right now. Everything's all right, as you guys can tell, wind is awful right now. I'm trying to build this thing right here. We got pool noodles, we got laundry bins, we got zip ties, all you need, and a knife to cut it. And I hope you guys can still hear me. I'm trying to sync up the audio to this GoPro right here, so hopefully it's not that bad. First thing, gotta make sure nothing blows away here because the wind is taking everything. We have 2 noodles. Actually, these cost me $6 a piece for these stupid little noodles. It's ridiculous. We're gonna line these up, cut them, and put them on all sides and zip tie them. I'll try to show you guys how it's done, but like I said, this wind is absolutely awful right now. Everything's blown away. We're gonna line this up here, and we're just gonna rough estimate it because I don't really care. We're gonna cut a slit right here and stick that around the bin, just kind of to get it on there in the first place, and then zip tie it. Oh God, I almost stabbed myself. And so, I mean, it's around it, but the zip tie is where it keeps it in place. So thank God we got these. These will cost you about $3 at your local Walmart. Not sponsored, by the way, because it's just gonna secure it nice and tight. I think that's good, right? I don't think it needs to go any tighter. That's good. And we'll put another one on this side for extra durability. Here's what it looks like. It's nice and fast and secure. Now we just gotta do it with 4 sides. We'll get back to you guys after that. So let's take a look at this thing. Ant's cutting off the extra limbs right now, but this is what the full product looks like. It's very durable. All you need is zip ties, noodles, but don't buy the mega noodle. Honestly, 2 noodles was $12. Like, that's insane for a noodle. But the laundry bin was out $3. We got this rope from home so we can tie it to shore. We got some zip ties, the noodles, and we're just gonna show you guys how this works. We're gonna put her in the water, tie her up, and hopefully catch some fish. There's the finished thing, and it looks pretty sick. What do you think? I think this looks awesome. All right, now I'm excited. Now we just gotta fill this thing up. Hopefully get like 2 fish to put in it at the same time. A little tip: you always want to look for this flowing water. Bass like to sit right outside that, and hopefully there's some sitting there right now that want to eat the chatterbait. We both got the chatterbait on right now, and now we just need to fill up that live well. You got one? Nice! Yeah, baby! No, it came off! Was that right in the stream? Yeah. Wow. I'll go right across it. Could be a good idea. There's the fish, I got one. Come on, stay on, stay on. Decent fish. Let's go, baby, first fish, let's go. We're like a minute in, and that's a chunk. That's a chunky one. I mean, it's little, but yeah, did you get that double, guys? On that chatterbait, nice little swim bait on the back of it. There she is right there. And now we just gotta put her in the live well. Now we just gotta put her in. Woo-hoo-hoo. Not a bad fish to start the day. I'll show you guys how she works. We're gonna put like just a few fish in the live well, just to show you guys how it works. We're not gonna keep them in there for too long. Let's bring the live well over here. Drop her in it. And there she is. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's swimming. She's kicking. And if she jumps out, there's nothing we can do about that. We don't really care. Look at her go. I mean, this is really cool. I don't think she's gonna take the thing away, but that is awesome. I hope you guys can see that. We're gonna bring it closer. Just sitting in the live well, sitting pretty. And now we gotta catch some more fish. This is awesome. All right, guys, we just moved to the second spot. Another little water outtake. We're gonna try to catch 2 fish here and fill up the live well. All right, I think I'm gonna start with chatter.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do too.
All right.
I'm gonna move on to that other side.
So we do have a little bit of flowage out of this one. Got one? Nice! Did it hit it right next to the bank? Yeah. Let's go! I'm the chatter. Let's get that live well. Come over here. Let's go, baby. See it. Oh, that's a nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm probably gonna push it out, so just put her in there. And we will probably toss her out a little bit.
Yep.
Give her some. It's got buoys on this thing for a reason. Kick out. Kick it out with that. Okay. Now let some line out. It's really shallow right here, so we're gonna push her out a little bit. Yeah, that way should be good. Oh, she just hopped out. Dude, she just hopped out. You're so... oh my goodness, that's crazy.
That was cool.
Definitely saw that on camera. The fish just hopped out of the live well. It's funny because people, when I posted a picture like this on Instagram, people are always like, oh, you need a net on top, the fish are gonna jump out. And I'm like, the fish aren't gonna jump out. I know they can, but I didn't think they would. That is hilarious. That's too bad. Hey, you caught a fish though, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta catch 2 more so we can put it in the live well. That felt really weird. I got one. Okay, I have one. Got a fish? I think I got a fish. It's not even... You're pulling something. I don't even... Oh, it's a fish. It's a fish. I got one. Oh, yeah. Ned rig, baby. Let's go. Woo! Choke the Ned rig, baby. Yes! Right down his throat. That is awesome. Oh, I thought I had a fish, but it was fighting real weird. Little guy, little pal on this one, too, but got a big head on her. And to the live well, Ant. That's a nice fish, though. It's a little guy. But, you know, fish is a fish. It's our 3rd of the day. Second one at this pond. I'm going finesse. You know, I'm looking for the chatterbait bite. I don't think it's here anymore. You know, it's the middle of the afternoon. Clear skies, not a cloud out here. So that little finesse bite is on right now, I think. So we're going to try to find a deeper spot to put this. Maybe over here. Let's push this out here a little bit. Put her in there. There she is. One other look at this girl. Toss her in here. Now we're afloat. Hopefully that one doesn't jump out. Let's go, dude, on the Ned rig. Let's go. Yeah. It jumped out? No way. No. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, guys. I just said my fish jumped out of the live well. That's crazy. We're not keeping the fish, so we don't care. But yeah, I guess they do jump out of it. That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Cool, I'm right there. Got a fish in his hand? There's one. Oh yeah. Good one, good one, good one. Not that good, but get him in. Let's go, baby. Double up, yo. Ant's got one too, let's go. Right in that chatterbait. Okay. You know, there's a school of fish right here. They're like super tiny minnows. Right on that chatterbait. This is the last pond of the day. Good hook set. Let's get them out real quick. Oh, that's a fish right there. She's bleeding, so we're just gonna toss her back. But we actually doubled up right there. Ann caught one and I caught one. We're at this new pond. It's like really weirdly, like it's clear, but it's like dyed blue almost.
Yeah.
And what we're using, like a white, is that a white Senko?
Yeah.
All right, what was it? Okay, so Ann caught one on the white Senko. I just cast it in a school of minnows, and because there's a ton of them just chilling over here, so I just threw my chatterbait right in there, hit it right next to shore. It actually felt pretty decent at first, but you know, haven't caught a fish in a while. We were just hoping to get that one last bite, and that was it. As you see, we did not bring the live well over here though, but just gonna finish this last corner and then we're gonna head out. But two fish right there, and that's awesome. Great way to end the day. All right, guys, we just got back to the crib. That's gonna do it for today's video. Today was super fun, honestly. Me and Ann went to Walmart. We bought some noodles, pool noodles, a laundry bin, which actually only cost $4 for the bin, and then some zip ties, and we got ourselves this little, hold on here.
little DIY live wells. It was super cool. I mean, it's super cool to see how it works. But if you guys actually want to do this like legitly and you're gonna keep some fish, make sure you get like a netting to put on top of it, because as you guys saw in some of the footage, we had the bass jump out, and then we had another one jump out, but I didn't get that on camera. It doesn't really matter because we just want to see how it works. It does work, and it's really cool. So if you guys do want to see more DIY projects like this one, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I thought it was something cool, unique, something I don't really do often on this channel. This summer, I'm definitely gonna do some more challenges, unique things I don't really do. You know, instead of going out there and fishing, I'm gonna put a little twist on it, you know, a little challenge. So it's gonna keep it spicy this whole summer for you guys. If you guys are new here, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified the second we upload videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.